Okay, so I hiked several miles to get here because a friend of mine told me there was a family of dippers or water ouzels, one of my favorite birds, living right here in this pool. I'm very determined, but so far no luck. Equally at home in a waterfall or in the air, there's a small grayish bird that defies logic. Once the first-time observer decides to believe their eyes, the American dipper can be seen diving into the swift current and swimming underwater to hunt and gather insects to feed its family. Not migratory, this remarkable mom and dad songbird team will winter near this stream and nest here in the summer. Well, we found our dippers, but they weren't exactly where I thought they were going to be, but we did find them. They're up in a nest in the rocks behind me. The trouble now is I want to stay, but there's a storm coming. I gotta get out of here. As the sun, rain, and snow exchanged participation and precipitation, the cold, clear water flowing through this aquifer supports the insect life that sustains our family of dippers. Is this going to change? The dipper is one of thousands of stories in a national park where hundreds of miles of hiking trails crisscross forest and tundra, where people and wildlife cross paths, causing a reaction for me so compelling as to demand repeat visits. Encounters in some of the most inspirational settings this planet has to offer. Settings in a national park facing an uncertain future of change.